Hi, my name is Toby, and today I'm going to show you how to build a airplane out of Legos. So first, you're going to need 2 of these pieces. It doesn't matter what color you have. You just have to get those ones. And then you put them in the middle right here. And if you want to put this Lego piece here, then you can. It's like you can put it there if you want. So then So then you get 2 of these pieces. You put them on the back like this. And then you get one of these. I don't know if you can see it or not because it's a clear one. Then you put it on the back. And then you get one of these pieces. You put it on the front like this. And then you can put like some stuff on it, like some pieces or really like anything. I made this mini Lego house too. I made a video of making it, so go check it out. I'm gonna yeah. So then when you're done, then you can show people yours. Also, shout out to Daniel Bouchard because, well, yeah. Go check out his channel. And he really needs subscribers. He only has 2 subscribers. So please subscribe to his YouTube channel and mine, and leave a like on his video. And if you want to hold it really well, then put these pieces these like right here. Or like, oh yeah. Put them right here. So then you can hold it really well. So you hold it and then, yeah, it's like a handle, but I don't want to put it on. So I'm going to take it off. Yeah, so this is what mine looks like. Yeah. See you next time. Bye. Make sure you like and subscribe.